so quiet. I like the birds chirping.
Mm-hmm.
Don't like the sand in my shoes, but it's okay. Come on. Hey. That red thing?
Yeah.
That's a log.
Oh, shit.
I don't know. We was like out. Saying about, okay, now it's hella sand getting in my feet. And yeah, we should have went the other path.
I'm gonna go back.
Hopefully somebody down here. There's somebody down here. We're going back up.
You think it's gonna be someone nothing?
Hope not. It's so pretty here. Damn. This is a good spot to stay around. Whoa. Wait, stay about. Don't move.
What?
Turn around. Oh, it's hair. I thought it was a spider. I was about to smack the shit out your back.
It's funny, some shit. I'm not shit. That is a nice spot, though.
Yep. Damn. This is a good spot. Hot. At least my wig is still on. A win's a win.
What?
So at least my wig is still on. If you want, throw it. Yes, don't add to the stuff that the hoodlums did. We're not hoodlums. No, we're not hoodlums, though, Bob. We're decent human beings. Damn, that's something busting. See my skin? I got a nice little glow from the beach. Ooh, bug. That's it.
Oh, the golf course. You think about hoodlums?
But they like intentionally did it. Like
Yeah,
they want
shit.
to fuck people's bikes up or something.
Look, they probably was hating. Look, glass right there. They probably was hating, like, oh, you think you're the shit coming down here with your dirt bike? Fuck your dirt bike. And then boom, now glass, now everybody popping their tires. It's hella footprints.
Nobody put that.
Yes, they are. If we was a trapper,
That's some coke shit.
what? I'm telling you, this probably was a campground. People probably had a camp, like they would sit around, put a campfire in the middle. It's hella footprints. If we was like trappers or something, think about it. Like, yeah, this is size 6.5 right there.
We on the way home, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video and my recent videos. And I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Bye, y'all.